When it comes to boosting low testosterone naturally, not all therapies are the same. True natural testosterone therapy means restoring hormones with something your body recognizes, and that's exactly what bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, BHRT, delivers. BHRT uses plant-derived hormones that are identical to the testosterone your body naturally produces. According to research published in the Mayo Clinic Proceedings, this match allows your body to absorb and use the hormones safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of side effects often seen with synthetic therapies. Harvard studies show BHRT effectively relieves andropause symptoms, boosting energy, muscle, focus, and reducing unwanted changes like breast tissue growth. At Renew Health and Wellness, we tailor each BHRT program to your unique hormone levels, ensuring you receive the exact support your body needs to perform at its best. Natural testosterone therapy is safe, effective, and life-changing when you choose the right solution. Take the hormone health test at renewmetoday.com and find out how BHRT can help you restore strength, confidence, and vitality.